Hello YouTube. So as you can see on the floor here, I have made some more guitar pedals, and I would like to show you those. So here you have this clean sound. And I'll only add some more chorus. It's just a little bit broader sound. You see, so earlier on I showed you I had created this distortion pedal. I changed the capacitor and the resistor or so, and then the tone became much better, so you had also a little bit more rougher sound. After that I created this pedal, which is the Into the Unknown pedal. This is supposed to be a guitar synthesizer, and well, I'll let you tell whether it sounds like one. So here we go. So this is with the mix completely to the left. So when you mix in the other sounds, you get another octave right here, and you have octave selector switches. So you get this 2 times down. So and this sub octave is 1 octave down, and you can select 1 octave up or 2 octaves up, of course. And then there's all these fun knobs that do other things, like you have this flashing light, which is a modulator for the top octave. So when I switch it all the way up, you get this sound, and then you can change the rate at which that happens. And there's another setting, so there's off in the middle, you don't hear the modulation, and there's another setting of modulation. And that's not all, because there's more knobs. You see, you have sort of a tone knob kind of thing, so I'll play through it. Then you have this warp knob, which makes it sound way different. Also with the modulation it sounds different. And then last but not least, there is the tracking knob, which makes the tracking of the high-pitched octave much less. So it will follow it, but it will not be spot on. So you can hear it floating already when I put it all the way to the right. You can also turn off the sub octave, so the lower one. So I set this expression modulator to be in square wave, and it will square between sub octave and 2 times lower. cannot really hear that, so let me put it louder. So here's more of the mix. So then you're wondering, what's this pedal all the way to the left? That is a fuzz pedal. It's a fuzz hugger algal bloom, and it sounds too awesome. So let me just show you for comparison what the distortion sounds like, and also the distortion on the amplifier. Okay, and then the distortion on the amplifier. And then the fuzz. So when you tame the into the unknown pedal, sort of get a fuzz sound, but when you play chords, you sort of lose some of the sound. You hear it? So when you play it on here, you can hear that the tone and sound remains. You have a few knobs in there, and to me they all sound like gain, if you will. So you have the gain knob, and also you have the bloom knob, so which also sounds like a gain, because you can control the gain with it. And then you have the starve knob, so it literally starves out the sound. So it becomes more tame. I very much like it like this. So you have all the knobs up, and you know, you have this kind of louder part when you hit a chord. This will be softer, and then when you hit the strings harder, it starts to, you know, peak a bit, so it becomes much louder suddenly. And also sounds very good, of course, with this pedal. And sometimes you don't need so much distortion, so you can use a bit less. So you put a little bit less gain, less bloom, and of course more starve. Also sounds very good when you starve it all the way until there's almost nothing left. Then have this pedal. Also very little. And then put them together. my demonstration of the pedals I have created, and that's it for now, so thanks for watching.